Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the off-the-grid error code R.4712. As per our research, the error shows up when players try to purchase items from the in-game marketplace. Some users shared that the error comes up nearly every time they try to buy something. According to our research, this error is most likely related to marketplace instability or temporary back-end issues during peak times. First, just keep trying to buy the item. Many users said they spammed the options a few times until the purchase went through successfully. If the error keeps showing, wait for about 30 minutes and then try again. Some users shared that they were only able to make purchases once every half hour, so this might help if the system is under load. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.